In this video, I will take a deep dive into the colorful and chaotic world of the recent drama series called Lucky. If you have been looking for something that perfectly balances lighthearted comedy with genuine emotional depth, then this might be exactly what you need on your watch list. From the very first scene, the show introduces us to a protagonist whose life seems to be a constant series of unfortunate events, ironically contrasting with the title itself. What makes this drama stand out is the incredible chemistry between the lead actors. They bring a sense of realism to their roles that makes every awkward encounter and heartfelt conversation feel completely authentic. As the story unfolds, we see how the themes of fate and perseverance play a major role in shaping the character arcs. The pacing is remarkably smooth, ensuring that there are no dull moments while still allowing room for the plot to breathe during more serious sequences. One of my favorite aspects of the production is the cinematography, which uses a bright and vibrant color palette to represent the hopeful tone of the series. Even when things get tough for the characters, the visual style keeps the audience feeling optimistic. The supporting cast also deserves a shout-out for providing excellent comic relief without ever distracting from the main narrative. It is rare to find a show that manages to be this heartwarming without feeling overly sentimental or cliché. If you enjoy stories about overcoming the odds and finding joy in the little things, you should definitely give this one a chance. Thank you so much for watching my review, and I hope you enjoy the drama. Until next time.